BORITHI NTEERE cia MAARA nimabithukirite nyomba emwe NTEERE inu na gwikira MPIINE Nchoobi mwanya mwanya iria makuga itina barua na timbega kiri ugima wa antu gutumika akiaria kamanda wa BORITHI Zakayas Ng'eni haugite makarutha bunde buria bumbikikani kenda gutigira makuthiria unywei na wendia wa Nchoobi Ndege ni watho.
Since last year that we started the operations on outlets that they could be licensed but they have contravened the licenses. So today we have come to this point and found that this is a place that is not even, it has no name or the trademark. And on coming here, we have found that despite that it is alleged to be a wines and spirit outlet, the license is yet to be confirmed whether they had license for last year, because we are in the process of issuing the licenses for this year in NTEERE County. But on further check on the products that are here, we have found empty crates, empty tanks of cake and others full of cake. Cake is not part of the wines. And we have also found some beer that is in crates, as you have seen. And this is actually a contravention of the license. Further, this is a place that, as you can see, we have children, and there is a residential place, which is not actually, which is against the Alcoholic Drinks and Control Act of 2010. That every place that dispenses beer should be away from residential places, and this is one of them. This is a continuation of our operation, which we are going to go about it, the whole of this county of NTEERE, and we ask upon even the members of the public who could be knowing some of these points to identify to us.